So, if you guys didn't know, Spice tell Naro a bag of things. And when I mean say a bag of things, I mean say are nothing good. Spice tell them. He was doing an interview recently with her and she talk our mind. Honestly, I knew this was gonna happen sooner or later. But Spice dropped Black Hypocrisy, captured her mixtape, and it went number one on the iTunes chart. She did what she did with the whole bleaching scandal, and she got international notoriety, international recognition, because she put herself out there. That can jeopardize your brand, that can jeopardize your money, that can jeopardize your lifestyle. And Spice took the chance and she put her heart and soul into Black Hypocrisy, and it went number one. And a lot of people had a lot of negative things to say about Spice and the way that she chose to put herself out there, the way that she chose to put mixtape out there. Spice do her thing, and I have to give props where props is due. Every accolade that she's getting now, both locally and internationally, because of what she did with the whole skin bleaching thing, I have to give her a prop, because me don't know no other dancehall artist that would jeopardize so much just to make their point be known. I think Spice learned from the one and only Vybz Kartel, so she do what she says she ought do, and she say it like she mean it, and she squid it basically. So Spice basically give it to Naro because Spice feel like say they are very critical of her, and they're only critical of her because of her skin complexion. And quite honestly, she have her reasons, and she have valid points as to why she's asking these questions. If I was in her shoes, I probably would too. So let's get into the actual clip that has gone viral, and then I'm gonna say what she had to say alongside that.
I was talking about artists in the land, but we're not going to talk about it anymore. So people, when they hear when Spice does good, and we don't talk about it, it's because we do. Because we talk about the good about Black Hypocrisy.
You never talk about
the good. But you miss that because you have people feeding you. Oh, you
never talk about the good.
We talk about the good about Black Hypocrisy and how the strategy is good.
Our conversation now has expired. So you can do me a favor, suck your mother.
Alright, so, Mom, so I hope whenever Spice is sick and she comes to
everything whenever we talk about fuck Spice. Your time expire, come off of my name up on Nightly Fix, stop blood clot.
I hope that when she's sick and comes to the hospital,
everything boy up. All the shoes, all your blue shoes me ate for your foot, me ate you over there.
This next time show.
The blood clot time expire about that. Time stop me eat Nightly Fix and me eat you. Me eat your blood clot. Yeah man, stop this for me name.
So Spice have been saying that Nightly Fix have not been promoting the good that she has been doing, and I don't know if that's true, because I really don't tune into Nightly Fix like that. I only tune in when my subscribers send me something that they want to see me do a review on or see me talk about. So I don't really tune into Nightly Fix like that. And quite frankly, sometimes me feel like Nightly Fix very shady. Honestly, they're very, very, very shady to me. That's just my opinion. They're entitled to their opinion also, but it is what it is. And Spice is making it known that they need to come off our name. They want to know who should they fuck, who should they with, our whole life story, but they won't promote the good that she's doing. They only talk about the negative. And Naro is saying that he's very critical and he does it with everybody, but Spice feels like no, he's not critical of everybody, because certain people that they do interviews with or talk about, they praise them and praise down to the ground that they walk on. And They don't do that with Spice, and Spice is saying, is it because of my skin color why you're so critical of me? And Spice have a reason for ask that, because a lot of Jamaicans will be critical of her and her music she performs, but somebody of a lighter complexion does the same thing and they're not critical. They praise her and say she's marketable. You can get a lot of sponsors, but with Spice it's completely different. If a lighter complected person does the same thing, they're not critical. And with my channel, I run my channel a complete different way. Like, anybody can get smoke on my channel. Vibes Cartel, Popcorn Family, anybody, Shensia. I'm critical of everybody, even Spice. I'm critical of Spice. Every single person can have the smoke when it comes out to my channel, and not everybody run their channel like that, and people have to realize that people are going to say their opinions, and sometimes it's not going to be good and it's going to be hurtful, but that's just their opinion. You can't kill them for it. It is what it is. But do I think it's right that Spice did what she did in the interview? Honestly, Spice is human, and if I was an entertainer like Spice and I felt like somebody was disrespecting me and just promoting the bad stuff I'm doing and not promoting the good, of course I probably would snap also. But I want to read some of the comments in the comment section and read what Spice had to say. She said, since the video is already all over, let me just take the time out to say this loud and clear. Keep the same energy when you are in front of my face. This dead dog slander my name and degrade me behind my back every night on his program. Never have nothing good to say about me yet. Now he's in my face, him a come laugh. Keep the same energy and just do me a favor. Fill in the blank and move your blood clot. Honestly, me can't wrong Spice. Me can't wrong Spice at all. Like, Spice is human. A lot of people thinks that these artists are not human beings, and they're supposed to just take whatever you give to them, and in truth and in fact it's quite unfair. It's very unfair, because if me I did artist sometime would have in my feelings too. And Tropic said a spicy fix. Lyric Rochester, big up yourself. She was one of the first makeup artists that I started watching on YouTube that was Jamaican. He said he never knew Tony Baker voice. Yeah, girl. Boss Dolly say foot a hype. Yeah, man. I that him forget. In the ocean him fi live and interview him own kind of some nobody them where I look career off a discriminating real star. And Spice and that was foot a hype, and Spice answer said big stinking pussy who like him. I said this was unnecessary. She could have kept it classy and say your time expire, move your blood clot, but no, it's not for her. Everything that he has ever mentioned about me was unnecessary too, so your comment is a no for me. When Spice hates somebody blue, you know it's serious, because Spice said she hate down to the shoes when have on, and the shoes when have on blue, and you know Spice color is blue. Somebody say he wasn't ready. Somebody say fuck her, him curl up like swims. Suck your mother. Somebody said it. Wow, that's not nice. I'm dead. Does this guy have a journalism degree? Because he's very unprofessional. When you're conducting an interview, you don't try to speak over the person you're interviewing, and secondly, you don't put your hands in people's face. That's why he received that healthy suck your mother. Strong, determined woman. Don't play hypocrite games. Big of yourself. Only see why me did have to hurry up and apologize quick right off a Sunfest. What they do. Me know how to survive, because I couldn't handle Spice and her vocabulary, and that was Scatterbarrel. Ramesh Entertainment says same. So comment in the comment section and tell me if you think that it was necessary, it was unnecessary, or you think Spice should have handled it more classier, like one of the commenters said on her video. Do you think that she was full of emotions and Spice is an entertainer but also a human being and there's only so much she can take? Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Like, comment, share, subscribe to your girl. That one ya mix up. That one ya blender. That one ya me have to say I can't even blame Spice for that one. Honestly, truly. Me can't call Spice for this. Or tell me what you feel. Talk up the things them. I'm up out of here, man. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Deuces.
All them a preach and preach. Step over, they go beat and teach. Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go on back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over, they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.